Good evening, friends. My name is Sayadev Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, India, and we are dealing with IELTS. And today we are going to shoot a video on prediction of the Q cards list from Jan to April 2022. Why this video is going to be very special to you? We are not only going to tell you about what are the basic topics to be covered, but what has to be spoken in that. So kindly be with us and let's continue. The first topic which can come in from Jan to April, describe about the bag you want to own. So bag is very important. Someone want to pay American Tourister or someone bought any other branded or non-branded bags. In this case, we have to tell about the description of the bag. We have to tell about what are the advantages of having this and what are the basic reasons why we want to purchase it. The second question can be about the company. Describe about a company where you live that employs a lot of people. Students are very confused about it. See, there are various multinational companies generally working in our area. We can say McDonald's, we can say other such companies like Hindustan Lever, or we may say Amazon or something like that. So we have to pick up the big company. We have to say about its business, and we have to say about what type of people are working there, what is their turnover, and what type of things they generally carry out. The third Q card can be computer game you played. So there are thousands of computer games are available on mobile phones in the shape of apps or directly. So any computer game which you played, you can say Mario, you can say Candy Crush, or nowadays PUBG is very very popular, especially in case of India. The youngsters are very fond of playing such games. So any computer game, if you are an old person like me, we can say Mario and all. And if you are youngsters, teenagers, we can say PUBG or any other golf or cricket or football or FIFA Cup, whatever you want to do, whatever we are already playing, better be realistic in the exam and have the details of all those games. Next can be a special decision made by others that you disagree with. Definitely, our family makes lot of decisions for us. Our parents make lot of decisions, and you can say that after your 10 plus 2 or after your graduation, at what level you are, your family planned something, but you was not comfortable with that, so you disagree with that. We can say academic decisions, we can say economical decisions, or we can say some social decisions too regarding marriages and all, something like that. Okay, dear friends, the next can be famous person in your describe about a famous person that you are interested in. On famous person, this Q card doesn't say about the local person or the national or the international. We have the option to choose anyone. If we are comfortable with international personality, we have to know about each and everything about that personality. If we are talking about Justin Bieber, we must know it. If we are talking about Bill Clinton, we have to know it. If we talk about Obama, we must know it, and whatever it is. If we want to pick up any local personality, definitely there are some national and international people are living in our local area also, so we can pick any person of that also, but kindly make all the notes and have your all details about that particular person. Next, about goal you want to achieve in your future. Definitely everyone has the goal, either is a academic goal or it is a commercial or it is a social goal. So plan it. Most of my students are from the academics, and they wanted to go abroad for their studies. So their primal goal is to achieve the good degree, and which university you want to go, which course you want to pick up, why you want to pick up, what is your goal. And goal should be very long lasting. It may take 2 to 3 years to achieve that. What labor you need, what training you need, we have to discuss all about this. This is the very very hot cake nowadays. Describe about the law on the environmental protection. So, dear students, I request to you all to study some of the environmental laws. Please pick up the law which is having great length. For example, I suggest to my students to use Air Pollution Act 1981, and it talks about the all air pollution things, about industries, about pollution control board and all. So it is very easy to say. I request you to either pick up on air pollution or pick up on the water pollution, because this is a Q card. We have to speak for at least 2 minutes on this. Okay, any layer activity you did near the sea, or we can say that near the water body also. All of us not fortunate enough to visit to any sea area or social, seashore area and all. So in that case, if examiner permits, we can say about lake, we can say about river, or we can say about canal. So leisure activity, what leisure activities we do generally if we go to Goa or we go to any beach, people go for paragliding, they go for boating, they go for scuba diving and all. They can go for river rafting and also if there is a river. So we can say that. Okay, live sports match. Lot of live sports match are going on. We talk about FIFA, you talk about international cricket, you talk about pro kabaddi or something like that. See, it should be the live sports match. So definitely, if we are taking with the two national teams, say India and Pakistan or India and Bangladesh or Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, it's quite good. I request you to better pick up cricket sports live match, which was recently going on, and we can do that. Next is your natural talent. See, guys, we all are born with some natural talent. I'm a teacher, so I have good communication skills. So we all have natural talents. Some people can sing, some people can paint. So kindly close your eyes and think about what natural talent do you have. And we all have some of the talents, and we have to pick up that. So be very naturalistic and say about painting, say about your bodybuilding, or say about your music, whatever things you want like to improve, or like sports or music, whatever. Be naturalistic. Okay, describe about the part of city of your town you enjoy most spending with. See, every town is having one posh area. For example, I am from Jalandhar, Punjab, and in my area, the model town area is extremely popular because of its shopping malls and posh area and lot of good bakeries and hotels and restaurants, saloons. Everything was available. So better we should use that particular area. We know about our city and pick up the best part of your city where lot of things are happening. Life is vibrant. Describe about the perfect job would you like to have in future. Definitely, as I told that we are born with some talent. For me, the perfect job is to pick up to be a international trainer or national trainer. I want to be a teacher in university or something like that. So you may be the computer professionalist, you may be from the saloon background, you may be the sports person. So any job you want to pick up, please, it should be very very personal to you, which matches your personality as well as qualification and experience. Describe the person who wears unusual clothes. See, guys, there are a lot of people around us who are wearing the very odd combinations. So we can say about our neighbor, we can say about our friend wearing different type of contrasting dresses, which are at all not matching. Some people are very fatty; they wear very tight clothes. Some people are very we can say very weak and they wear very loose clothes, so something like that. There should be some person around us in our life where who is wearing some unusual clothes. We can describe about that. Describe the piece of international news. Lot of international news are happening here and there. Talk about Canada, America, or Britain, or France. Nowadays Omicron is extremely on the cards and it has become a hot potato. Everybody is talking about that. So some new vaccination has come, or there is some new development in science and technology, or something in sports, something has happened. So we can pick up any international news. I request you to kindly go through the newspaper every day, especially in terms of national and international news. Describe about any local news. Students are much confused about local news. See, guys, infrastructure development is always on the cards in every city. Roads are not so good, there is a traffic issues. So we can say that the city is not comfortable, or my area is not comfortable. My city area has some water supply issues or electricity, or there is some traffic issues. So some of the local bodies, they want to make something new, and please have the positive news. This is what my concern. National and local news, we should pick up the positive news. We should not talk about much about crime, murder, rape, or something like that. Better to pick up the positive news because it gives the positive vibrations to the examiner also. Describe about the place you like to visit but you don't want to live. Definitely, if we are going for touring, I am going to Goa, I am going to Himachal Pradesh. It may look that 2-3 days it is quite good to stay there to enjoy the sightseeing, but I don't want to live there. We can have this idea. We can go for a touring. We can create the situation, and we enjoy. Then we have to show that there are some hardships, and we have to pick up. We need to pick up that area to live forever. What is your plan in your life that you're related to work or study? Instead of your plan for your work or study, you can plan to be an artist, you can plan to be a bodybuilder. So accept work or study Please make another third plan in your mind so that you can easily have a grip when you are preparing for your this type of cue card. Another point is any polite person you met, you can talk about your teacher, can talk about your neighbor, you talk about any of your relatives. And in relatives, I personally request you that please do not include your mother, father, or brother, sister, siblings, or your grandfather and grandmother. And you may talk about them, but make them into the shape of another relatives, because it is not so good that we talk about our family in our examination. Exclusively if they ask, then we should describe the puzzle game you played. We can say Sudoku, we can say jiggles, we can also say about the word making games and something like that. Puzzle games we have seen, crosswords, it is already there. So please pick up one puzzle game and know about its details, how it is played, what are the rules. Any quiet place you visited, definitely there are many quiet places. We can talk about any temple, we can talk about any garden, we can talk about library. I suppose library is the best place, which is quite quiet and people are very productive there. People go there with some objectives. We have to talk about that. Any short trip you have enjoyed, you have gone but you have not liked it, definitely. Suppose you have to be to any place with earlier, but your friends want that you should go along with them, and definitely you will not enjoy that place again. So we can say that my friends wanted me to go to them along with them to some hill station, and but you have already been to there, so you didn't enjoy much. But because of their feelings, you appreciated and you went along with them. Any skill that you can teach to others, definitely we are born with some sort of skill. If I'm a teacher, I would like to teach to others. If you are a doctor, you like to practice something. If you are a musician, you like to teach to some musical instrument to someone. Even you can teach PUBG to your grandmother and grandfather also. You can teach them the YouTube skills. So this is the skill you want to teach to others. Any special day that made you happy, we can say about our birthday, we can say about our academic achievements, or any of your special person of your life who has achieved something that makes our day special. Special hotel, definitely we have been to many hotels. Talk about 5-star hotel, 7-star hotel, about their services, about cleanliness, about corona protocols and everything, about cuisines, about ambience, about the locality, about the location. This is the special hotel. Any street market, all the cities are having street markets. We also have street market. We go there are many discounts, there are many varieties, and it can be achieved on, we can purchase the things on very competitive prices. So street market. Tall building, all the cities are having tall buildings, so pick up the best building in your city. If we are in Dubai, we can pick up the Burj Khalifa. If I'm in Jalandhar, I will pick up MBD Mall, and there are 5, 7, 10, 20-story buildings are there. So pick up those buildings, say about the building, about the fire safety, about escalators and everything. Your cue card will be almost over. And describe about the thing you bought and you are happy about. You can talk about your mobile phone, you can talk about your jeans, you can talk about your glasses, or you can talk about your computer or microwave, whatever you feel. Pick up some costly thing, and so that you can have its full descriptions about its features. Describe the time when you encourage someone. Definitely, and during the 10th or 11th exam, my cousin didn't got good marks. So I motivated him many times. Our siblings or our near and dear ones gets into the crisis, and during that time we encourage to each other. We encourage our even our family members. So give a situation when you encourage someone. Okay. Describe the time when you felt bored. Very difficult cue card to explain. In this case, let your family go out. You are alone at home. You are not feeling good. You are under the weather. You are suffering from some disease. Electricity was not there. You are not interested in cooking. You are not interested in sleeping. The cable TV was not working. Your network has gone. The weather was very bad outside. You couldn't do anything. You couldn't sleep. You couldn't eat. You couldn't. All these situations we have to explain. If we are explaining, the felt bored. Any example when you waited for a long queue? Waited for a long queue, definitely. Many times we wait in the queue, whether we are going to the hospital, whether we are going to some official work, we are going for Aadhaar card or something like that. We have to wait. Okay, describe the time when you helped a friend. Definitely, in this case particularly, I want to say that please do not help your friend with the money. We can help them psychologically, we can help them with other thing. The best situation is your friend's mother was not feeling so well, and she was alone or he was alone, so he or she called you and you went there with your vehicle, you picked up his or her mother and went to the hospital and helped and stay there for one night. Please don't pay money, we are not so rich that we help to each other. Rather, it should be something psychological and good one. Any example when you use the imagination? Definitely we use imagination. I am a student, I am thinking to go abroad and always I dream about it. My aircraft is flying, I am landing in Toronto or Vancouver or somewhere in the London or in the Washington. So have some imaginations and we can do that, or we can have imagination about any hill station also. Describe the time when you shared something with others. Bets. It's a wonderful cue card. Very easy to say. You are staying in a very small home. Your cousin has come. You have shared your room with her or him, and you have discussed a lot of things in the night. You shared a lot of views about each other, and we can make a situation. Describe the time when you told a friend an important truth. Definitely, your friend is in the foreign. Her mother was suffering from corona, and she was in very critical situation. So you called to the person in overseas and you told that your mother is in the critical condition but under the control, and you told the important truth. This is very wonderful. Wild animal. Wild animal, pick up the animal which is quite different from others. I ask my students to pick up the animal which is kangaroo, and because generally the people pick up the tiger, panther, horse or something like that. But if the animal is something different, please know everything about that animal, how it lives, what it eats, how it breed, and how it nurture its babies, and something like that. So keyword will be wonderful. When your computer broke down, yes, many a time computer broke down. You are working on a project and suddenly your keyboard was not working. You were searching for mouse was also not working. So something has happened and you lost your control over your computer. We can do that. Describe the time when you lost in the place you don't know about. Please go with your family to any unknown place or any religious place where there was a lot of rush. Your mobile phone was not working, network was not okay, your battery short of charging, and you got lost. And luckily you had announcement in the gurdwara or in the temple and you got your family back. Something we can explain that. Promise you made to someone. Yes, we make a lot of promise with our friends along with our family members. We can say have the academic promises, we can have social promises, and better for the students pick up the economic academic promise. You told your parents that you will get high scores in your current semester, but due to corona and due to some disease you could not make it. So this is the promise you made. You saw something interesting on social media. Social media is a wonderful Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever. You watched any some video, you watched some funny video, you talk about kangaroo, you talk about octopus or something interesting about volcanoes, about tornadoes or anything, right? So we can explain that. Describe the town or city where would you like to live in future. Definitely most of my students, they want to go to Toronto or Vancouver or Ontario, especially Punjabis are more fond of going to Canada. Similarly, we have our one city in our dream city in our mind. Please know each and everything of that city. What was the weather there, how the people are living there, what is the social structure, what is the political structure, what is the economy is going on there. We have to explain about that. Next is your aquatic animal. I request you to pick up either dolphin, or we can pick up the octopus, or we can pick the sea urchin. It is quite different. We can say pick up the starfish. The only thing we have to complete we have to be in the control of its full details about that. So guys, we need to prepare for it. Describe an argument of your two friends had. Omicron is on the card, so you went to a coffee shop and your friends were talking about the two different diseases, that how it is going to spread. One was in favor, one was not in favor. So extend your cue card and finally finish it, and you intervene and pacify the situation. Exhibition you visit, we have a lot of exhibitions in our cities. It is books exhibition or the handicraft exhibition or food exhibition or the technical exhibition. So suppose you are in a Delhi, so there is a technical exhibitions are there, books exhibitions are there. So remember any exhibition, tell about such details and go there and make it. Describe any art and craft activity, painting, something you did. You can talk about your preschool or primary school when there was summer camp and you try to pick up some hands on your paintings and crayons and colors. What did you paint? Say something about the environmental or something like that, or some hill stations paintings, and some mountains, some clouds, or some theme writing, something, so that we can explain. Describe an article on health you read in the magazine. Immediately jump to Corona or Omicron and have its details, and we can give this interesting answer. Describe an interesting conversation you had. Please go to any party, meet with any celebrity, and you talk a length with him or her. And or your friend has come from Canada and he or she was saying a lot of cock and bull stories about that particular area where he or she is living. So guys, I am going so fast. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you are be with me for the last 15 minutes. Kindly subscribe because we people labor a lot so that my students are getting good marks in their exams. Please do subscribe and give me the feedback how these videos are. Okay. Describe an occasion when lot of people around you were smiling. You can give any party scene that DJ was going on and there was one child who was dancing like adults, and the steps were so wonderful and it was very touching. So people were clapping, people were smiling. So this situation can be made. Any kind of food you tasted first time. You have gone to any countryside area of your relative and it was quite interior. Pick up any veg or non-veg item which is quite unique. We can say the brinjal soup, or we can say the cornbread with some of greens and plus some of the tomato soups. So something very odd recipe. Pick up and explain that. Describe an occasion when you was not allowed to use your mobile phone. We can say examination, we can say ICU. You go with your friend to any hospital, stay with his or him or her, and ICU is not allowing, emergency is not allowing to use of your mobile phones. So that are restrictions we can do. And last but not the least, describe about any unforgettable bike or bicycle trip you had. Definitely. And there was environmental rally on 26th of Jan of this year. Most of the people, especially in Punjab, they are planning for the cycle rally to show the concern about 26th Jan as well as the environmental related issues. So any bike or any bicycle trip you enjoyed, you went around 15-20 kilometers along with slogans and along with the flags of your country. It was mesmerizing experience. So dear friends, these are the total 50 topics. I have given you some idea what to explain, what not to explain. So given you some suggestions. I hope this video will be very fruitful you. Thankful. I am so thankful to you being with Success Mantra, and we will be explaining more and more videos. We will be bringing more videos for you. We are hoping for success of each and everyone. This is the Success Mantra of success. Thank you so much for watching my video. And lastly, I again request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and give me the feedback. What more videos would you like to watch and see and grasp? Thank you so much. Take care for you. Bye bye.